Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi here, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this, on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and enter My Apps and Games. And as you can see, we are on the updates, and in my case I've got all, actually 8 updates pending. And of course, if you want to, you can update all of them just by tapping on Update All, but you can update only one of it or two. Just find it in the list and tap on Update next to it. So let me update the Gmail, and as you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you actually don't have to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.